Good evening, children. Standard 7 English. Children, in today's class, we are going to learn the grammar part, prepositions. First, we will see what is meant by preposition. A preposition comes before a noun or pronoun and shows the relationship of a noun or pronoun with the other words in the sentence. I repeat, a preposition comes before a noun or pronoun and shows the relationship of a noun or pronoun with the other words in the sentence. For example, meet me at the station. Suhana is waiting for me. Steel is made from iron. Arrange the clothes in the cupboard. Next, prepositions of movement or direction. We use prepositions of movement or direction to show movement of a person or thing from one place to another. These prepositions are most often used with verbs of motion and are placed after the verb. For example, the ball went through the window. The puppy ran towards me. Next, we will see the usage of since and for. We use the prepositions since and for to show time. When we talk about an activity that started at some time in the past and has continued to the time when we are speaking, we use since. The preposition is used to indicate the time when the action started. For example, Neil has been out since 7 o'clock this morning. Next example, we have had frequent power cuts since Saturday afternoon. When we refer to a length of time or duration but do not specify the time when the action started, we use for. For example, Sandra has been learning to play the flute for a year now. Next example, Nave can't sit still for 5 minutes. So children, we will see one exercises. Fill in the blanks with suitable preposition. Number 1. Detective Sherlock Holmes and Dr. Watson lived dash 221B Baker Street dash London. The answer is at 221B Baker Street in London. Number 2. As soon as I sat dash the school bus. The answer is in the school bus. I remembered that I had left my lunchbox dash my desk. The answer is on my desk. Number 3. I always make sure I wear the seat belt when I dash a car. The answer is in. Number 4. The school was planning to take us dash Agra. The answer is to Agra dash air by air, but now we are going dash train. The answer is by train. Number 5. Will you please courier this book dash my aunt? The answer is to. Who lives dash 12F Gandhi Nagar? The answer is at. Number 6. Delness accidentally broke the glass that was dash the dining table. The answer is on. Number 7. Mandeep is going to visit his cousins who live dash Hyderabad. So what is the answer here? The answer is in. He hasn't met them dash. He came dash Delhi dash 2010. The answer is since he came to Delhi in 2010. He will be dash Andhra Pradesh dash 2 weeks. The answer is in Andhra Pradesh for 2 weeks. Number 8. We have been looking forward dash the holy get together. The answer is 2. Dash the exams after the exams. We plan to host at dash Garima's house. The answer is at Garima's house. We will buy organic colors dash the festival. The answer is for the festival. Number 9. The cows jump dash the low fence to graze. Answer is over. Dash the grassy pasture. On the grassy pasture. Under, otherwise you can write near the bridge. So children, hope you all understood the prepositions. So children, last class we completed Unit 2 supplementary story, that is the Red-Headed League. So now we are going to see the book back exercises. Now you take your e-book and turn to page number 49. That is part A. Say whether the following statements are true or false. Number 1. Photography was Vincent Spaulding's hobby. The answer is false. Number 2. Mr. Rose did not want to hire Mr. Wilson. The answer is false. Number 3. Mr. Wilson worked for Mr. Rose for 6 weeks. The answer is false. Number 4. Mr. Jones was a lawyer. The answer is false. Number 5. Spaulding dug a channel from the cellar of the shop to the jewelry shop. The answer is false. Next we will move on to part B. Complete the table based on the information from the text. First one, Holmes findings. We have to write the clue. Number 1. Mr. Holmes found the channel. I saw you hit the ground with your stick. Watson to Holmes. Number 2. Mr. Spaulding dug the channel. Did you notice his trouser? Holmes. Spaulding often went down to the cellar. Is he making a channel? By Holmes. Number 3. The channel was made to get into the bank's strong room. The answer is, I went into the next street at the back of the shop. I saw the bank. By Holmes. Why is that young man making a channel? To get into the bank's strong room, of course. Holmes. Number 4. Spaulding could be the thief. I suspected when Spaulding was happy to work for half wages. He often went to the cellar. Is Spaulding making a channel to another building? By Holmes. Next you turn to page number 50. That is part D. Based on your reading of the text, complete the pyramid by arranging the sequence in the correct order. So you look down. Here are some clues. Now we are going to arrange it. So we will complete the pyramid now. First one. Wilson got the job in the Red-Headed League. Second one. Wilson was assigned to copy the encyclopedia. Next one day he found the notice that the Red-Headed League was dissolved. Next, Wilson asked Sherlock Holmes for help. Next one, Holmes found the channel from the cellar to the bank's strong room. Next, Holmes recognized Spaulding, who was actually John Clay, a notorious criminal. Last one, Spaulding and Rose were caught by the famous detective. So, now you look at page number 51, project part E. Here is the sample of an advertisement of a circus. Imagine you have visited a mystery theme park you have come across. Make an eye-catching advertisement with the help of the given clues. So here are some clues. What is that? A mirror maze, scary faces, eerie sounds, a ghostly figure, a pitch dark room. So you have to write like this. Welcome to the Phantom World, a mirror maze. Stand in front of the mirror to see my face scared. See the scarsy faces to be more scared. Ghostly figures are also attractive. Haha. Come, enjoy our company in the pitch dark room. Listen to the eerie sounds and scream. 10th May at Town Hall by Lucifer. So children, next we will move on to connecting to self. That is part F. Observe the pictures carefully and write your answers. So the first picture. One day, your parents had gone for a wedding. You are all alone at home. Suddenly at midnight, someone knocks at the door. What will you do? So I have to write, I will ring up and inform my parents and also ring up my neighbors and inform them. I will act on their advice. Next picture. While you are coming to school, if a stranger gives you a chocolate, what will you do? So what you will write? I will avoid him and shout to get public attention. So children, with this we completed Unit 2 fully. So you have to write all the given exercises in your textbook very neatly. So children, complete the given assignment. Thank you children.